Hi there, and welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to integrate Checkify Plus with virtually any landing page, website, or e-commerce platform, so your checkout opens automatically when a customer clicks the Buy button. One of the biggest advantages of Checkify Plus is flexibility. You're not locked into a specific website builder, platform, or technology stack. You can use any AI or non-AI landing page builder, a custom website, or incorporate Checkify Plus with your existing e-commerce platform. For today's example, we'll use Lovable, one of the most popular AI-powered website builders. However, the same process works with virtually any platform that allows you to add links to buttons. So let's get started. Open your Checkify Plus admin panel and navigate to the Buy Links section. Here you'll find all the links to the checkout page for your products and offers. Select the link for the relevant product and copy its URL. Now switch to your website or landing page builder. Locate the button that should send customers to the checkout page. This could be a Buy Now button, Order Now button, Get Access button, or any other call to action element on your page. In most website builders and e-commerce platforms, you'll simply need to open the button settings and paste your Checkify Buy link into the destination URL field. If you're using Lovable, the process can be even easier. Instead of manually editing the button settings, you can simply tell Lovable what you'd like to do. For example, ask it to connect your Buy button to the Checkify checkout link, and it will update the page for you. Once the link is connected, save your changes and publish the updated version of the page. And that's it. The integration is complete. Now let's see it from the customer's perspective. Open your published Lovable landing page and click the Buy button. As you can see, the visitor is immediately redirected to the Checkify checkout page, where they can review their order details and complete the purchase. You can also customize this checkout page however you like to match your brand's design, thanks to Checkify. A guide on how to do this is also available on the channel. Checkify Plus also handles post-purchase communication, including order confirmation emails, refund notifications, and other important customer updates, so you don't have to build these flows yourself. The entire process takes just a few minutes and requires no coding, plugins, or complicated integrations. And this is exactly why many merchants combine modern landing page builders like Lovable with Checkify Plus. Lovable gives you complete freedom when designing your sales pages, while Checkify handles the optimized checkout experience and order processing. No matter which platform you use, the setup remains the same. Connect your button to a Checkify Buy link and start accepting orders. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to save this video if it helped you connect Checkify Plus to your website, and let us know what integrations, payment methods, or checkout optimization topics you'd like us to cover next. We'll see you in the next tutorial.